Bone broth, it's God's gift to us. It's going to encourage better looking skin. It's going to make you feel better. You're going to be more calm, and it's going to improve your longevity. What is bone broth? Bone broth is where you literally boil the bones and different animal parts into a pot, and you can add vegetables and different spices, and usually it's being cooked down for about 24 hours. Sometimes you can use a pressure cooker to speed up that process. And it's going to break down the collagen and make it go into the broth. So the benefits of the bone broth are from this breakdown process of the connective tissue and the cartilage. There are 10 reasons why you need to be taking your bone broth, ideally every day, and we're gonna go over that. Make sure you stay until the end to hear the whole thing so you can maximize the benefits, and then I'm gonna give you a little trick that is my favorite. First, let me introduce myself. I'm a practicing doctor. I have a full-time job. I have 2 little kids. I've competed in bodybuilding 4 times, and I'm gonna give you all the little tips and tricks to make life easier and to help you renew your mind and renew your body. As always, I'm available for coaching. Please contact me on the link in the description, and I hope to hear from you. Number 1 reason to drink bone broth is it's going to heal your gut. The gelatin that's in the bone broth that's broken down actually mimics the interior lining of your digestive tract. And this is going to help decrease that leaking, or what people call leaky gut syndrome. This is huge. So it's going to decrease the likelihood of toxins coming into your body and going to help improve your gut. And this is so amazing because a lot of research is showing that the gut is like the second brain. And the more healthy your gut is, the better your brain is gonna work because they directly communicate with one another. So that is a whole nother video, but you gotta get that bone broth in because it's going to help heal your gut, decrease leaky gut syndrome, and make your digestive tract feel better and heal. Number 2 reason to drink bone broth is it's actually very nutritious. Not only is the bone broth incredibly helpful for us with regard to the collagen and gelatin, but there's actually vitamins and minerals in the bone broth that are going to be very good for you. Specifically in bone broth, there's iron, vitamins A and K, fatty acids, selenium, zinc, and manganese. These are all going to be in very absorbable fashion. Again, I've talked about it in other videos where you can see that here, where sometimes, even though we take a multivitamin, our body doesn't absorb all that. So the more you can get these nutrients from direct food, the better your body is able to absorb that. And you will get that from your bone broth. Number 3 reason to drink your bone broth is it's going to protect your joints. As we age, unfortunately, cartilage is broken down like many other tissues in our body. But the unfortunate thing about cartilage being broken down is it's going to negatively affect our joints. So we're not going to be able to be as mobile. Furthermore, it can make it very painful because as that cartilage gets broken down, you have bone rubbing against bone. Not fun, very unpleasant. So bone broth is going to help heal that cartilage and help improve it. A lot of people will take glucosamin and chondroitin supplements specifically for getting the health benefits to the cartilage. This is in bone broth. Bone broth has glucosamine and chondroitin in it. Again, your body is going to naturally absorb it. So this is going to help heal those joints. Remember, it's more bioavailable to take it directly in your food, so that chondroitin and the glucosamine in the bone broth is going to get directly absorbed into your body and have a better effect than taking those supplements by themselves. So this is going to help, again, heal those joints and improve your mobility. And remember, mobility is absolutely critical. When we stop moving, our muscles start to atrophy, and that's one of the signs of aging. It's absolutely critical to keep moving, and it's going to decrease the likelihood that you're going to end up in a nursing home. I know that's grim to think about, but we all have to consider that and think about every step that we're taking that is going to affect our longevity and affect whether or not we need that assisted care as we age. And one of the main ways that you can avoid that is by keeping on moving. And it's going to be difficult to do that if your joints are hurting and if they're suffering. So anything that you can do to improve those joints and increase your mobility is going to increase your longevity. And speaking of mobility and longevity, that brings us to number 4 reason why you should be taking your bone broth every day. It's going to improve your skeletal system, i.e. your bone health. The magnesium and the calcium and the phosphorus that's in bone broth is going to be absorbed into your bones. Again, it's more bioavailable in the form of bone broth, and you're going to be able to utilize the benefits better, and your bones are going to improve. Again, as we age, our bone health deteriorates, and anything that we can do to improve our bone health is going to help us make us stronger, help us increase our mobility, decrease the likelihood of fractures. Again, anytime you get a fracture, especially in the hip, chances of death are significantly increased. So you want to avoid bone fracture at any cost. And this is one of the ways that you can help encourage bone health. Number 5 reason why you should be having bone broth every day is because it's very high in glycine. Glycine is very interesting because it's going to aid in sleep and aid in lack of fatigue. Seems a little counterintuitive, right? But let me explain. It's because glycine helps relax the body and significantly improves sleep quality. And if you remember, I show in a video here the importance of sleep in our overall health, specifically for fat loss and for our longevity. So it's absolutely critical that we get good sleep. And one of the things that bone broth has in it is glycine, and glycine is a wonderful supplement. In fact, I actually have glycine on top of my bone broth. I take a supplement at nighttime to help increase that glycine that you're going to get at nighttime. It's going to improve your sleep quality, and because your sleep quality is being improved, your daytime fatigue is going to be decreased. So you're going to be more alert in the day, you're going to be able to multitask better, and you're not going to feel super tired at work, and because you're getting better sleep. So the bone broth is super helpful, and I will start drinking it in the afternoon to kind of wind myself down, and especially right before bed. And the glycine in it is going to help, again, improve your sleep and make you feel better and increase your longevity. Number 6 reason to take bone broth every day is it's going to significantly improve your immune system. And it does this because, remember the vitamins and minerals that we discussed before in bone broth? Well, those vitamins and minerals are going to go into your cells and help repair your cells and make them stronger and healthier. And stronger and healthier cells are better able to fight different pathogens in our body that are going to attack us, like viruses and bacteria. So it's going to help encourage your immune system to be stronger than ever. So make sure you're getting that bone broth. Again, it's going to improve your health and your longevity. The bone broth also has collagen in it, which brings us again to number 7 reason why you should be having your bone broth every day is it's going to help improve your skin elasticity. This is probably the number 1 reason people take bone broth or ingest it every day, because of the benefits on your skin. It's going to make you look younger longer. Who doesn't want a fountain of youth? It's going to decrease those fine lines and wrinkles that we all just love so much. Not really. It's going to help decrease them, so you're going to look better. Your skin is going to look bouncier. You're going to look more youthful, because it's going to help encourage that collagen to be healed. So the collagen in the bone broth is extremely beneficial. Now, the collagen in the bone broth is not a full protein, so it's not going to help repair muscle tissue. And we talk about that in a video here. So make sure you're getting other sources of protein to help with your skeletal muscle mass and to help get your daily protein requirement. Do not count the protein in collagen or the protein in bone broth towards your daily protein goals. Consider it as a supplement for all these reasons that we're discussing today. And speaking of daily nutrition habits, I also recommend having bone broth every day because it's going to encourage you to have better eating habits. That brings us to point number 8. It's a great foundation for recipes. I use bone broth in making any of my carbohydrate, like rice or quinoa. I show that in a video here, in my food prep video. It's going to provide a great basis for that. It adds a lot of flavor. Having the bone broth is going to encourage you consciously to make better decisions about what you're eating. It's going to help you make better health decisions because it's a delicious snack. It's going to take away some of your cravings. And not only is it going to help you with your better decisions throughout the day, like I said, it's a great foundation for many recipes. You can use it in almost everything when you're cooking it, and it's absolutely delicious and my favorite thing. Not only is it delicious, but it's going to help detoxify your liver. That brings us to point number 9. It's going to help detoxify your liver because of the glycine in it. So not only is the glycine going to help encourage better sleep, but the glycine is a precursor to glutathione. And glutathione is needed in your liver to help detoxify. A lot of people will take glutathione supplements specifically for this, but do you know you can get that in your bone broth as well? Amazing. So It's going to help detoxify your liver and help encourage a more healthy liver. Fatty liver disease is skyrocketing in our country, and it's not necessarily because of alcohol, it's because of our diet. So yes, alcohol is not the best thing for you, but a lot of the high sugars that we're eating are spiking our insulin and increasing fatty liver to a substantial degree. A lot of doctors are seeing fatty liver in younger kids and teenagers who obviously, they're not drinking alcohol, but it's from the high sugar content. So anything that we can do to help detoxify our liver from all the substances, not just sugar, but everything else we're exposed to. We're exposed to more plastics than ever before, and God knows what. So anything that we can do to help detoxify our liver is going to be beneficial, and it's gonna help renew your body. So make sure you're getting that bone broth. It has a glycine in it, and it's going to help detox that liver, which is going to help everything function better in your body. Number 10, best reason to take bone broth is it's going to help with your mental clarity. Clinical research has shown that the fatty acids in bone broth are going to substantially improve brain function. That's amazing. So you're going to be able to think better, and you're going to think more quickly. Not only that, but you're going to be more calm. Who doesn't want to think better and be calm? I don't know about you, but I often turn to coffee to help increase my brain power and speed, but I also get a little jittery, and sometimes it makes me a little anxious. Well, bone broth is going to help with your brain function, and it's not going to make you all jittery. It's going to help keep you calm. So you're going to think better and be more calm. Try to find a combination like that exists in nature. It's hard to find. Bone broth, it's like God's wonder medication for us. It's God's medicine for us. And so it's going to help us decrease that anxiety, which I know in this day and age, we all have, because life is crazy out there. But it's going to help calm you down and make you think better. So you're gonna work better. You're gonna work better at home. You're gonna work better at work, and everything's going to be improved. And it's mainly because of the glycine in it and the essential fatty acids that are located in that beautiful bone broth. So remember, I told you to stick around to the end for my greatest trick in bone broth. So I love bone broth, but it can be a little cumbersome to make. Oftentimes when I cook a whole chicken with my family, I'll go ahead and save the carcass and use my Instant Pot to go ahead and break it down. Or when I cook a steak, I'll keep the bones from it, or sometimes we'll make bone marrow and we'll cook that with the steak, and I'll keep the bones, and then I'll cook that down. So I'll make different broths with that. But again, it can take a long time, and it's not always feasible to do that. So what I like to do, of course, I love to make my own bone broth, but in addition to that, I like to have on-the-go bone broth, which is a great option for really busy parents. So anything you can do to make life a little bit easier is going to be beneficial, and as long as it's healthy. So right now I'm having a cup of my beautiful bone broth, and I like to use this. It's called Brodo bone broth. I love it so much. And you get it in these little packets. It's all organic. It's made with filtered water, organic bones, and then organic grass-fed meat. And it's all organic vegetables and spices, and they come in these cute little packets, and it's really shelf stable. And you can also keep it in your refrigerator if you don't want to have the whole packet and just drink it within 5 days. And I bring it to work. I bring them wherever I go because it's a nice, quick little snack, and it makes me relax. And it's just wonderful, and it's the best tasting I've ever had. Some bone broths cannot taste that great. So this one, I've tried a lot, and this is my favorite. They're not a sponsor of this channel. It's just my little tip and trick for you. I hope this was all beneficial to you, and I hope you enjoyed this information. Again, I post a video every Friday at 11 a.m. in Central Standard Time. So I hope that you subscribe to our channel, and then please comment on your favorite types of bone broth and how you like to have it and what it's done for you. So I always am encouraged to hear about that. Also, comments on any other topics you would like me to cover. As always, I'm blessed to share this information for you for free, and I'm available for coaching, one-on-one coaching. So if you want any fitness tips and you want somebody to just be there with you in the struggle, because it is real, it can be hard. I know, I've been there, I've had a coach. It's always beneficial to have that one-on-one support. So if you're interested, all you have to do is fill out the link in the description, and I'll be right back with you with some questions. I hope you have a blessed day, enjoy life, and remember, have your bone broth.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like, comment, and share this video if it was a blessing to you. Here's another video for you to watch. Have a blessed day.